Very simple, but very powerful. Now, obviously, you're probably curious what the other buttons do. This buoy right here shows you the dark pool activity for that ticker. So, SPY, for example, tons of dark pool activity back here at the 421 region, and that, of course, signaled a bottom for that point in time. And then you can navigate between different time frames. Again, I'm actively revamping this as well, so pardon the slow load times. But going back to 6 months, we can see exactly where the biggest orders were happening, where those orders were concentrated at, and then you can even use this to infer where people are going long, going short, adding 2 positions, so on and so forth. So this 421 region was a huge point of purchasing back in late September, and that's where we're at now, and we're starting to actually see some relief hitting the tape going into tomorrow. So very, very, very powerful information. And then on the same token, we have the this like desktop looking icon. If you click that, that brings you into the Contract Explorer. So you can see to date, today, past week, past month, past 3 months, what percent of these were being purchased, right? You can see the premiums that have been exchanged in that time period, the volume that's been exchanged. Oops, come back here. And then to the right of that, you can see, the largest trades. Again, super powerful. If it's in green, that means that the contract was being bought. If it's in red, it means contract was being sold. We're not seeing much selling right here. If it's gray, that means that it was filled at the midpoint, so there's no particular direction to speak of. And then you can, toggle through different intervals of time. So I click the 3 month down here, and now it's going to load the 3 month chart. Orange is open interest. The white line is the price of the contract. And it looks like somebody just loaded up, 5,000 contracts at the $355 strike. Earnings is coming around the corner for Microsoft, so it looks like it might be pretty bullish. So simple, but so powerful. It's just that easy. It's that easy. And then you can even click this right here, and it will minimize it down into your taskbar. And now you can, actively jump between different contracts without even having to think about it. It even will persist through, page refreshes. So, I refresh the page, I change pages, whatever it might be. And now here they are. I click into them. Just that easy, that simple. It's elegant, it's sexy. It just does what you want it to do. And here we have some coin puts being sold. Coin is up almost 10% in after hours. Crypto's going on a bull run again. So it's just stuff like that. We're seeing that this contract as a put has been sold, repeatedly for the past 3 months and the past month and the past week and today. And it's that easy. It's awesome. So